got a heating element from a stove. It's a normal element. About a 30-volt transformer. It's not hooked to anything. The wires, the output, not doing anything. Just a motor from an air conditioner. I'll start with these here. Put this stuff in series, transformer, the inputs in this element in series. Anybody can prove this to themselves how over Unity is. So simple. Here's the plug-in. I'll plug it into this extension cord. And then I'll measure the voltage at the element, and then I'll measure the voltage going to the transformer. And then we'll measure the overall voltage going into the from the cord right here. $18.7, 18.8 going to the element, 110 going to the transformer. There's only 116 going into the two combined. So do that math. $18 plus 110, it's pretty damn simple to figure out. 128 volts. There's only 116 going in. It'll work with pretty much everything. They'll have different results for different inductive loads though. It'll work as you're charging. But if you completely short the outputs out, the effect will go away. Because this pretty much turns into a resistive load once you do that. So now I'll take this resistor out of here. Hook up the motor, see what happens. Just putting them in series, that's all. These are just simple ways people can prove to themselves that over Unity works. This can be scaled up to be large. 11.67 going to the motor. 103 going to the transformer. 114 going in. $11 going to the motor. What was the transformer? 103. 114. Yep, that's exactly right. So now I'll take the transformer out of the series and put the resistor back in. When you put two inductive loads in there, it doesn't work. But I'll put a resistor in there now. Motor's on. 65 volts going to the motor. Come on. 71 volts going to the element. $116 going in. $65. $70. $135 volts. $118 going in. $116. Varies with different things that are running in the house too, so. I know two other ways to do over Unity that are easy to show. Will be coming up later on. This is one of them. This machine has been tested. I use it every day for heat. Produces 600 watts all the time. That'll be coming up later on. For all the doubters, it's already been tested. And then you can come and put your own fucking instruments on it if you doubt it. You can see exactly how it fucking works too.